This is the T-maxx I've been working on, and the issue that I'm having with the engine is that it makes a chugging sound. And I've tried switching carburetors, cleaning carburetors, switching glow plugs. I've tried switching out just about everything I can think of. I've even taken the air filter off. I've cleared the engine. Nothing seems to be having that much of an effect. It still chugs, so let me show you what it sounds like. I'll let you hear what it sounds like, rather. It has that deep chugging sound, almost as if it's got a lot of compression but nothing to burn up. So I hope this helps, and thanks for all the help.